Suppose you're given an equation that looks something like this. X squared plus y squared equals to 5. And another equation, a linear equation that looks like x plus y equals 3. The first thing you need to do is to label the equations. So you label that equation 1, label that equation 2. Using equation 1, we are going to, so from equation 1, from equation 2 rather, let's create another equation. So x equals 3 minus y. Let's label that equation 3. So now we need to substitute this into equation 1. So substitute 3 into equation 1. It's going to change the color of the pen. Black to black. So we have 3y squared plus y squared equals 5. So now expand the bracket. We have 3 minus y bracket 3 minus y plus y plus y equals 5, y squared rather. So what we need to do to expand this equation is to multiply 3 by 3 and 3 by y, and then y by 3 and like that. So that gives us 9 minus 3y minus 3y plus y squared plus y squared equals 5. So let's collect like terms. So we have y squared plus y squared minus 3y minus 3y plus 9 equals 5. Coming up here, we'll have 2y squared minus 6y plus 9 equals 5. So let's take 5 away from there. So we have 2y squared minus 6y plus 4 equals 0. To solve for y, we need to factorize. It's going to factorize that equation. So we'll have 2 factors of 4 are 1 times 4 or 2 times 2. So if we put 2y here and then y here, 2 here and 2 there, we need to make sure that this turns out to be a plus, so we put a minus here, because minus 2 times minus 2 gives you plus 4 equals 0. So solve for y. So we have 2 solutions to this question. So we have 2y minus 2 equals 0, or y equals 0. Y minus 2 rather, sorry. So to rub that out. So y minus 2 equals 0. So y equals 2 over 2, which y equals 1 here, or y equals 2. to find what x is, we need to go back to equation 2. So to solve for x, we use x plus y equals 3, which is equation 2. So we put whatever we see, now we need to put y into that equation. So when y equals 1, x plus 1 equals 3, x equals 2. And then for this one, y equals 2, x plus 2 equals 3, x equals 1. So the solutions for this equation is solutions y equals 1. When y equals 1, x equals 2, or y equals 2, x equals 1. Check. If I put this into x squared plus y squared, they give me 5. So you have, let's try y equals 2, x equals 1. So y equals 2, x equals 1. So we have 1 squared plus 2 squared equals 5. Therefore, our solution is correct. And that's how you solve it.